I have a 2004 A.O. Smith gas water heater, model number GCV 5100. The pilot light is going out after a single burn cycle. I can relight the pilot light, which tells me the thermocouple is more than likely not the problem. I did pull the thermocouple off the gas valve, put my multimeter on it, set it to millivolts, and it does quickly go above 20 millivolts. So I did check it and it is good. I did some research on the internet, and a couple things that it could be that I'm gonna do is to clean out from underneath the water heater and also pull the burner element, clean out that compartment, and also check the pilot light orifice, blow it out with a air compressor, or use some type of pin or wire to clean the orifice out to make sure that I have a clean, good flow of gas coming out of the pilot light orifice. To access the air cavity at the bottom of the water heater, just simply pull this mesh screen out. No screws, no nothing, just simply pulls out, and you can see how the ends tuck in there when you go to put it back in place when you're finished cleaning. It's very simple. You may have noticed that I have one of those water leak pans underneath my water heater. I like having that there, but it certainly makes it difficult for me to get the duster through the clean out holes. So I have to come up with a different plan, because I am not able to get this duster in there. My new plan is now to use my air compressor with the air nozzle attached and my shop vac to blow and vacuum as much debris out of the below cavity and the burner cavity as possible. I think that's about the best I'm going to be able to do. I will also use my air compressor to blow the pilot light gas line out from the end that connects to the gas valve. Turn the main gas valve off to remove the main burner. Also shut off the gas valve. I will unplug the piezoelectric igniter to the pilot light. I will also disconnect the thermocouple, 3/8 inch wrench. I will also remove the gas line to the pilot light, the smaller of the two. The larger is the gas line to the main burner, and I will disconnect that. Now I'll speed up the video as I take this apart. That was the piezoelectric igniter, the thermocouple, the pilot light gas line, the main burner gas line, remove the two screws holding the burner assembly in, and pull up and remove. Now that I have this all apart, this is one of the cavities that I'm going to use my air compressor to blow compressed air down as best I can through that screen and all around in there, just to try to move dirt and dust as best I can and suck it up with a vacuum. I'm going to stick the vacuum down below and try to capture any dust, dirt, debris coming out of these vent ports. Okay, now for the cleaning. I'll speed up the video to save time. Using my air compressor to blow out the inside, you can see all the dust and dirt and debris coming out. The vacuum, I'm not sure how much I caught in the vacuum, but I could sure see a lot going by on the video camera. Hopefully this will have a good outcome. I advise wearing a dust mask, by the way. Yes, it looks much cleaner. The top cavity and the below cavity. I will now start to put this back together and also make sure you clean your burner off the best you can. I also cleaned the pilot light orifice and blew air through the gas valve side of the pilot light line. I reconnected everything, turned the gas line on, relit the pilot light, turned up the temperature on the water heater, the burner's lit. I'm letting this cycle through, heat up the water. Here's a look at the lower cavity. There's the vent screening that feeds the burner. You can see that there's still cobwebs and stuff around that. Because I couldn't get a duster under there to dust that off, so I'm sure it's cleaner than it was. Okay, the main burner flame has been running for at least 15 minutes. Just from past experience of playing with this thing, I know it takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes before the water is heated up to temperature and the gas valve shuts it off. If we were successful at cleaning the vented area and the pilot light line, then the pilot light should stay on when the main flame distinguishes. So we have success if the pilot light stays on.